Fertility rates have been declining since the 1960s. Take a look at this graph. Notice the peak during the 1960s and the gradual decline ever since. But what are fertility rates? The fertility rate describes the average number of children a woman will have during her childbearing years. The fertility rate equation is therefore the total number of live births divided by the number of women of childbearing age at a given point in time. Why are fertility rates important? Fertility rates are important as they allow us to understand what the future population of a country may be. They also have an effect on the age structure of a country. The age structure describes the proportion of the population across different age groups of a country. Notice how as fertility rates have declined, the age structure of the UK has become more top-heavy. There are now fewer people of working age compared to elderly people than there was in the 1950s. A top-heavy age structure alters the dependency ratio, which can have a series of economic consequences. The dependency ratio describes how many people of working age are needed to pay for the pension of one retiree. To learn more about this, go to the Economic Consequences section. To get the most accurate view of the fertility rate, it is best to measure them once women have stopped having children and completed building their families. Statisticians assume this to be at age 45. Measuring the fertility rate once women have completed building their families gives a more accurate view of the fertility rate, as variations in the numbers of babies born and the population of women at a given point in time can cause dramatic peaks and troughs in the fertility rate. It's important to remember that fertility rates and population growth are hard to predict. But we can safely say that fertility rates are declining in the UK and are likely to continue to. The UK is not unique. Similar declines in the fertility rate can be seen in Japan and China. To learn more about this, go to the section on declining fertility rates in Japan and China. Scroll down this page to learn how fertility rates have changed over the generations. From the post-war baby boom to the fertility rates of the baby boomers to the fertility rates of Generation X, and finally to the fertility rate of the millennials in the present day. Finally, to get a better idea of how declining fertility rates have affected the age structure of the UK, try using the interactive population pyramid at the bottom of the page.